Now, Longshot AI is an AI that does not sound like an AI. Now, what it is actually is an AI-powered content creation tool designed primarily for generating high-quality, long-form, and SEO-friendly content. Its key features aim to streamline the content workflow for marketers, bloggers, and businesses. The core capabilities include AI-driven content generation for various formats such as blog posts, articles, and product descriptions. A significant differentiator is its emphasis on factual accuracy, incorporating features like fact-checking and FactGPT to provide credible, cited information. For optimizing content for search engines, Longshot offers tools for semantic SEO, dedicated SEO checker, and integration with Google Search Console. Users can also leverage customizable templates and workflows such as auto-blog and article workflows to quickly generate content in specific formats. Additional features include a programmability checker to ensure originality. It also has integration with popular tools like WordPress, Fire SEO, HubSpot. It supports multilingual language, that is multiple languages, catering to wide user base. It has AI interlinking for improved website structure and the ability to maintain brand voice consistency. So what are you waiting for? You can give Longshot a try by going to longshot.ai and you can see some of the free tools it has here. You can see them, what I've already mentioned earlier, and you can register and log in.